Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. Here's my newest book, Drawing Cute Animals Shape by Shape. If you can draw these simple shapes, you can draw cute animals. It's that simple. Let me show you a little bit as we flip through this book. Here are the circle, the oval, the square, rectangle, half circle, and triangle. That's it. That's what the book is about. And you'll draw a ton of them. Exotic ones, household pets, everything cute. So let's do a little flipping through. Here's a fun one and a simple one. Boo-hoo bunny. It's a squashed oval. And by picking the right shape for the head, you get an instant cute character. The other ones at the end, the other steps, are great, but you really capture it right in the beginning, and you'll get that instant gratification with this book. You'll be able to do this, I truly believe. So let's go and flip through a few more. This is a fennec fox, and this is the half moon cut off at the bottom. And that is what the fennec fox looks like. You start to visualize the shapes. Here is one of my favorite ones because he's got so much personality. This is the hippopotamus. Now this is a compound shape because the top of the head is square and the mouth area is an oval. And you stick them together and it's unmistakable who this guy is. This is a big, heavy hippo. And it's not really a neck. The body just connects right to the head. It's a lot of fun, and as you can see, you can draw this. And even things that look like they'd be tough to draw, like a triangle, are easy when you start with the basic shape. This giraffe has a kind of slender triangle. Just put a little chin, a cupped chin underneath it, and you know what he is before you even get to the neck. And there are some characters, some types that people think are kind of maybe tough to draw, but they're really not if you can pick out a shape that works. Here's another compound shape. Big oval or circle, a rectangle for a slender head, and step by step it becomes this wacky rhinoceros. They're fun, and they're all cute and full of energy. You can draw every shape in this book. A fun little pig, very compact shape. Just add a couple of small legs. The proportions make it funny, and a little snout. And then we can go in the back and see all sorts of fun exotic characters. An aardvark. A pufferfish is just really a circle with some spikes. We have also bats, wild boars, and an ugly fish. That's actually the name of it, an ugly fish. So anyway, here's the back cover. It's got a lot of pages, a lot of steps, a lot of personality, and a lot of projects for you to enjoy. I hope you'll take a look at it and get one for yourself. Thanks for letting me present it. Bye-bye.